Hey traders, hope you guys are doing well. We're gonna have a market update time. Today we're gonna have a look at the just the Dow Jones. We're gonna look at the S&P 500. Plus, I'm also gonna show you what I'm seeing on the FANG stocks as well. Let's get straight into it.
Do not place a trade based on what you see in this video. Trading can cause substantial financial loss. There is no guarantees of making a profit in the markets. And this video is just to educate you and not to give you financial advice. Grab your free trading course right now. 100% free 12-hour X Factor trading course. You're going to learn things like top 13 deadly mistakes, 10K per month plan, amazing charting boundaries techniques, #1 chart reading technique, power reversal techniques, ultimate trading system, blast off trading system, #1 trading indicator, millionaire trader mindset, so much more. 12-hour trading course. Click the link in the description right now to get free membership access right now.
Alrighty traders, let's go straight into it. I'm going to actually change the intro, by the way. I know you guys, some of you guys see the intro, so I'm going to shorten that thing down to maybe even half. Add the disclaimer and the customer notice like I need to protect myself, and then maybe that little promotion to get you guys to click on that link in the description for the free course. It's going to help you anyway, and I hope that really does help you out, and I hope you really move forward in a big way, because if you do click on that link in the description below, I'm just letting you guys know. Of course, I have my coaching program, right? People can sign, but guess what? The free course teaches you a lot of stuff as well too, charting techniques and trading systems and a whole bunch more. So click on that link in the description below and get your free course. You know, and even if you don't pay for my service, even if you don't get my coaching, that's fine. Use what I'm giving out for free to help you out. Let's get straight into it now. Alrighty, so first thing, not really much going on with the Dow Jones Industrial Average. We have been in quite a nice channel going on from here to here, from there to there, and we are going on from there to there as well too. So it looks like to me, I believe the Dow Jones is having it's really weird. We're having a little bit of a small pullback. Same with the S&P 500, just a slight little pullback, not a big red bar or anything like that. And the same with the Nasdaq as well too, just a slight little pullback. That shows me that the sellers right now, at least right now, are not strong at all. The buyers are still there holding up. So I'm actually expecting to see a bit more upside coming in the markets as well. Looking at the VIX, not much going on with the VIX there. You know, actually, let me just blow this thing up so you guys can see it a bit more. So you can see what's going on through there. And you've got like the... and also the transportation average. Transportation average again is screaming to the high side as well too. So guys, by looking at the markets itself, it does look like the market is going to. It does look like the stock market is going to continue rising. It's really weird because there's not a lot of strong sellers there yet. I know the sellers will come in soon. We don't know when, but they're not there yet. Okay, so it's most important thing is just the bing bing bong bong and continue with the trend. All right, so let's have a look at here on what's happening with gold and silver. So right now, what's happening with silver right now? Not really much going on. You know, a bit of a sideways movement. You know, a bit of a high, a bit of a low. Not really much going on through there. And you know, let's go through the daily chart here. And same for the gold chart. But just remember that this major high and now this major high has changed everything. Buyers are in control now. We went from making lower. What? Lower. Say it with me. Say it with me. Say it with me. Lower high, and a lower high. Now what do we have? We have a higher high. It is that simple. But John, the market is manipulated. You can't trade and you can't chart a manipulated market and blah, blah, blah. And you think you can? Really? Well, check out my gold. Check out just that one simple technique. Flip it over to weekly chart. Look at the peaks and troughs. Look at the highs. Look at the lows. And tell me you cannot read what the market is telling you just by that one simple technique alone. Cause you can. Cause you can. Cause you can. All right. So the GDX right now is had a little update today. I don't expect this thing to hold, or it may actually hold because there is actually a bit of support level here. So it may even hold this level here, so it hasn't even got down to the 50% level. I still do think we've got a little bit of downside to come, but hey, it may not happen. Same with the GDX, the GDXJ, should I say? It's actually had a bit of a pullback through here, and now we actually had a now I do believe we're likely to get a bit more pullback on the GDXJ. But once that happens, remember guys, what I'm looking at. What am I looking at? I'm still waiting for that AG. I'm still waiting for First Majestic to give me that nice little up bar. Get a nice little strong up bar with a really good volume. Wham bam, thank you ma'am. I'm gonna be in it. Right? So that's what I'm seeing there on the silver and gold stocks. Now let's have a quick look at the FANG stocks. Let's start with good old Google. What's happened with Google? Look at this here, right? Look at this here. Run up, small bar, small bar, small bar, strong bar. We had a nice, or not an increase in volume, but a nice strong bar, and look at it just continue running on there. Now it's having a little bit of a pullback. Nothing out of the abnormal with Google. Google's just in a nice upward trend. So buyers are still in control. Do not try to fight those buyers. I actually did try to fight the buyers before, and it just didn't do me any good. Like right here, I tried to short the market right here. And actually, I went to short the market on the short-term time frame. But as you can see, right, what is going on here on this chart? Simple analysis. Let's bring it back to simple. High, low, high, low, high. Cool. High. Then it came down and made a low low. Oh, well, potentially what? Who might be coming in control? Sellers might be coming in control. Oh, look, it made a high. Oh, look, weak buyers. Oh, strong buyers. Who's in control right now? Buyers. Okay, so do not be trying to fight those stocks. Let's look at Facebook. Same thing as well too. Look at the market overall, and as you can see that if you look at the major high points, I want you to look at the major high points and the major swings from that. What do we have here? Swing up, swing up. All right, let's just do. We had a high here, a high here. We had a high here. We had an equal bottom, basically, a higher high. We had a bit of a sideways movement through here, didn't we? And look what happened. Bam, come back up, and now the buyers are taking it back up again. So the FANG stocks are looking really interesting. Amazon as well too. What's happened with Amazon? Amazon right now, it's really interesting, right? It's really like, just do not fight the market. Don't fight the trend. Amazon, what's happened with Amazon? Market's running up, and then bam, continue to run up as well too. What am I missing here? What stock? IBM. Is that a tech stock? Anyway, let's have a check at IBM. Same thing as well too, guys. IBM, what are we seeing through here? It really is this simple when you come down to it. Major high, or major high low, major high low, and then the market continues running up. So that's what we see through there, don't we? Now, moving on, what am I missing? What other tech stocks are we missing here? I don't know, but I'll show you one stock that I'm actually bullish right now. I'm actually in right now, and that's actually Tesla. I'm actually looking at Tesla. What is Tesla doing? People say, John, Tesla's a short, you don't understand, blah, blah, blah. And I'm like, okay, I'm actually bullish right now on Tesla. I actually was short here, but now I'm actually long here. By the way, guys, when I say I'm short and I'm long, I only have a small percent of my account, so it doesn't matter about 1 or 2 or 3 trades for me. It really doesn't. All that matters to me is that I take every single trade that I actually see. Anyway, I'll talk about that in a video. Without any thought, any judgment, anything like that. Remember, guys, what did Charles Dow say? What did Charles Dow say? He said what? He said, and this is, the price discounts everything. A trend is assumed to be in effect until it gives a definite signal that it hasn't reversed. The price discounts everything. So it discounts your thoughts. What's going on with Tesla right now? Tesla's doing what? It's higher low and a higher low, breaking off these highs through here. And continue to break up now. Now, again, I'm actually bullish right now. I've got call options right now, and I do see a lot. I do see that Tesla's going to continue this upward trend. Don't fight it. Now, yes, of course, if we start to drop back down through here, that's going to create a lower high. And if we start to break below this low through here, that's going to now create a lower low. Then who's in control? Sellers, right? So that's the reason why it's important not to be so rigid with the price action, but you go along with the market, right? You go along with the flow. You're looking and going and looking and going and looking and going and looking and going, right? You're flowing with the charts. Right now, the buyers are in control, but doesn't mean the sellers are not going to come in control. And being flexible with the market is the most important thing you can do with your trading. Make sure you grab the free trading course. Also, make sure you check out my brand new book, The Flow of Success. Tap into the 19 powerful universal laws to succeed in every area in your life faster and easier than ever imagined. Make sure you check out the Facebook page. And also, if you need my help personally and urgently, you can book a 1-hour coaching call with me to help you to get on the track with your trading or anything in life that you need. So all the links are in the description, so go check out that right now.